Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will prepare bitter gourd pickles, for which we need dried bitter gourd which was made after boiling it for 20 minutes in water and dried. We take Kashmiri chili, turmeric and salt, mustard, cumin and dry chili, coriander, asafoetida and oil. First we will heat the panchforon and cumin seeds. Mustard seeds and fennel also, which we will heat it. First it will be dried and then it will be little fried, I would say. Then we will heat the coriander, fry it, see, notice the color change here. Transfer this to a jar along with other spices and grind it. Notice they are not too fine. You don't have to make them very fine. Now you transfer your dried bitter gourd and grinded spices into a bowl. Add Kashmiri chili, turmeric and mango powder into it. Add salt, 2 spoons, and some asafoetida, followed by the addition of 1 spoonful of acetic acid. Add 3 to 4 spoons of oil and mix it thoroughly. After mixing, you have to keep this in a jar for 5 days, followed by drying in sunlight for 2 days. Now your pickles are ready to eat. Enjoy. Please like, comment and subscribe our video if you like it.